Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to create and apply a custom signature brush in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by clicking on the New File button, then choose 3 inches for width, 2 inches for height, 300 for resolution, grayscale for color mode, and white for background. Click on the Create button, then activate the Horizontal Type tool from the toolbar. Enter the text of your choosing, then use the Move tool to adjust, transform, and scale the text as per your requirement. Go to the Select menu and choose All. Then go to the Edit menu and choose Define Brush Preset. Enter a name for your brush, then click on the Brush dropdown and then click on the gear icon. Select New Brush Group, then drag your brush under this group. Next, go to the File menu and open an image of your choosing. Click on Image in the top menu and choose Canvas Size. Enter 5 inches for width and 5 inches for height and change the canvas extension color to white. Go back to the Canvas Size window and repeat the earlier steps, but this time change the extension color to black. Create a brand new layer and rename it to Signature. Select the Brush tool from the toolbar, then from the Brush dropdown, choose your signature brush. Use the square bracket keys to increase or decrease the size of the brush, then paint once in the white border. Create another layer and rename it to Frame. Activate the Magic Wand tool from the toolbar, then select Point Sample for sample size, 0 for tolerance, and check Contiguous. Click inside the black border, then go to the Edit menu and choose Fill. Select 50% gray from the Contents dropdown, then use the Controller Command D shortcut to deselect the current selection. Click on Window in the top menu and choose Styles. Expand the Natural dropdown and select Tile. In the Layers tab, double-click on Bevel and Emboss and change the technique to Smooth. Double-click on Pattern Overlay and change the pattern to Wood Bark under the Wood dropdown. Change the scale to 100%. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.